We're not.
Ariel.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Not well.
We're not well.
Uh,
We're not loving the cows. Can I help?
Oh, no, we're stressing.
No, the show is fun.
Stressing,
Yeah.
you know,
Okay, all right.
she's
1, 2,
very
3,
young.
we're gonna stress.
Lisa's gonna put my eye out with that umbrella.
Now, you guys, the Bella's been wrong.
Yeah, the umbrella's gonna freak him out.
Oh, no, it's the cows.
That's the cow. I feel like I'm in the Okefenokee swamp today.
It is. Good job.
I'll trade you.
Go in. Oh, God, no. Oh, God, help us.
That's right, we'll just put it behind their back.
It's so cute. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Go, 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 go.
Oh, my God.
Go before she backs.
I'm gonna have such a migraine.
I already got one.
Is this on video?
Yep.
Oh, shoot. I did my full shoulders, my collarbone, 3 ribs, and I've had 7 concussions. That's why I'm so crazy.
Excellent job, Michaela.
No kidding. That's awesome.
Excellent job.
How old is she?
12.
Oh, that's awesome. Imagine how she's going to be an adult.
Yep.
Very
Really
impressive.
good. Really good.
That's a wonderful point.
Yeah. But the cows are very scary. Good job. Very nice, Michaela.
Are you your mom?
No, she's her grandmother. I'm just a renter. A renter aunt.
A rent-a-aunt? That's
Yeah.
cool. I had a couple of those. I had a lot of rent-a-kids.
Yeah. We're really, her grandmother and I are really close friends.
No.
Corners.
I can
Corners.
Michaela. She's such a sweetie.
Where are you guys from?
Hampton Falls?
Yeah.
Excellent. Good job. Excellent. Stay with it. Stay with it.
I told her I was like, the only thing that you can make her get back is that they want.
Excellent job.
She looks like she's done this before.
Yeah, excellent job. Oh my God. Good girl. Yeah.
Corners.
Turn her head. Turn her head, Michaela. There we go. Good job. God, this is going to be the toughest ride of the day. I'm telling you.
Oh,
This is like...
It's making my Grand Prix so easy.
We're not stressing when you do your Grand Prix test.
You should be.
Oh, no, we're not. I'm doing a virtual ride. She's a great, good girl. Stay with it, Michaela.
oh, good job.
Excellent job.
Slow down. Slow down.
That's right. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Good girl.
Oh, my God.
Stay with her. Stay with her. Jesus, I hope that doesn't have sound on it.
It does.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
Good girl.
good.
Stay with it. Stay with it. Good.
Oh, my God. Can you even stand it?
What? Was that Jacqueline?
Jackie was around the outside here.